super excited that we're finally in Taiwan and we're finally at the production line. Everybody's been waiting for these bikes for a really long time. We can't wait to get them out to everybody. We have last-minute changes we have to make, and to see the final version of the final bike on the production line ready to go, it's just a really rewarding, exciting feeling. To finally see all the things coming together, see the assembly line getting start to be made. The whole team's really excited and couldn't be more pumped to be here, seeing things come together.
So at this stage of the production, we are assembling the first 10 bikes, and we're about just over 80% of the way through. We've got the frame together with all the internal components, got the harness, motor, controller, even front and rear suspension on now, wheels and handlebars.
If you look at the bikes that we did for pre-production when we were in Daytona and comparing to these bikes here, there's a lot of fine-tuning stuff that, you know, the average person who's looking at the two bikes might not be able to see, but we'd see on our end, on the engineering end, even down to bolt selection, small stuff like that. We've been fine-tuning this bike for production for the past 6 months now.
Final thing now to do is just put the rest of the plastics on, fit the seat, throw a battery in, and take it over to the dyno.
Built such a high power bike, we've really had to take a lot of time to make sure that these bikes are going to actually withstand that power. When these things come to somebody, they're going to be able to ride them hard and not have to worry about them. I think what makes me most proud is just seeing the team come together to build this. You know, we've got guys in the US, Australia, China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and really everybody working together as a group to get these things done, tested, and now on the assembly line is, it's really awesome to see everybody working together on that.
These guys, even in this first 10 bikes that we've got here, they've been getting pretty down pat. What we're looking at right now is a lot of the finer details, you know. I've been literally looking at how, you know, wires are laid out in the bike. Even just having, you know, two wires slightly crossed, slightly overlapping. It's really fine stuff that I'm looking at here. So I've been quite impressed with how well they've been able to put the first 10 bikes together.
So this is the main harness. It runs up to the junction box up here, and then everything that's on the bars connects to the junction box. It definitely makes working on the bike a lot easier. Just have all the plugs all in the one spot. Makes it really, really handy to work on. So we're running a Sirris 245mm travel front suspension and also a Sirris rear shock.
Even though, you know, Sirris is a relatively new company, the people involved in it are not. We have a team that is experienced for the last, decades in making the world's best race suspension.
This isn't a cheap system. When you go inside and look at everything in here, cost is not saved on the components inside of here. And if you had to equate this to anything in the conventional market, this is pretty much A-kit suspension. You know, you no longer have to upgrade the power on these bikes, and you definitely don't have to upgrade the suspension on these bikes. This is the best of the best that you can get. The coatings are there, the tolerancing is there, you know, the tunability is there. This is really going to set people up to be anything they've ever needed. From here, production just needs to ramp up. You know, we've been working on this for months already to get to this point here, and in the next few months, we're going to continue to ramp that up. As soon as these things are under control, we're going to be working on the 902s to do all the final testing on those and then bring those along to production as well. And this really means the wait is over. These bikes are here. We've waited a long time to release pricing and to release these things to the market, but we've done that because we wanted to make sure they were ready to go before we did that. What this means now, seeing these behind me, is they're done. They're ready to go. These bikes are in production, and they're going to be rolling off as quick as we can build them.
There you go, baby.
To everybody who's been waiting and following along, thank you. This is a huge step for Bonnell, and we can't wait to get these bikes out in your hands.